Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Downtown St. Albert, Alberta is the heart of one of the province's oldest communities, offering a mix of history, culture, and modern urban life. Located just northwest of Edmonton, the downtown area is centered along St. Albert Trail and adjacent streets, featuring historic buildings, public spaces, and a variety of shops and restaurants. The origins of St. Albert trace back to 1861, when Father Albert Lacombe, a Roman Catholic missionary, established a Métis settlement along the banks of the Sturgeon River. The community grew quickly due to its fertile lands and strategic location near the river, which provided both transportation and resources. Downtown St. Albert today retains echoes of this early settlement, with heritage buildings and plaques highlighting the city's long history in the region. As the town expanded in the early 20th century, the downtown core developed as the center of commerce and civic life. Streets were laid out to accommodate both businesses and residences, and early establishments included general stores, blacksmith shops, and community halls. The downtown area features a number of historic landmarks that speak to St. Albert's cultural heritage. Notable buildings include the old post office and early schoolhouses, which have been preserved or repurposed as community spaces. Today, many of these structures coexist alongside modern developments, creating a unique blend of old and new that reflects both the city's past and its ongoing growth. The Sturgeon River itself remains an important feature of the downtown area, flowing alongside parks, trails, and recreational spaces. These riverfront areas provide scenic views and outdoor activities, from walking and cycling to community gatherings. The preservation of the river valley ensures that residents and visitors alike can enjoy the natural beauty that originally attracted settlers to this part of Alberta. This area offers a window into the city's history and contemporary life. From its origins as a Métis settlement along the Sturgeon River to its present-day role as a vibrant urban center, downtown St. Albert showcases the enduring character, resilience, and community spirit that have defined the city for over a century and a half. Thanks for watching.